see more date. Never know. Let's redo this. Welcome to Beeneh Builds. My name is Nathaniel, and we're doing something a little bit different. So yeah, I bought a house. It's seen better days, but I'm excited. So first thing, you're walking in, boom, you're hit with that green floor. I'm talking 1970s. Now we have the kitchen, all right. I wish I could save a lot of its stuff, but I can't. We have our fireplace, definitely really dark. Now we have our hallway that we go through. Bathroom, they even left the toilet paper. That's pretty awesome. Second room is the bedroom, a bedroom. Second bedroom, currently my cat's room. And finally, the master bedroom. And every master bedroom usually has a master bathroom, but this is nothing's master about this. If you're afraid of tight spaces, well, welcome to the dungeon. Watch your step as you enter in a very, I don't even know what to say about this, quiet space. And then turn on the lights as you try to shower. Yeah, that definitely has to go. I'm a pretty big guy, and that is super tight for me. This is my favorite room of the house. This is not why I bought the house, but definitely had a huge motivator. Boom! This is Beeneh Build's shop. I thought season 2 was gonna be quite different. There's plans were definitely changed as soon as this house came on the market, and oh boy, it is quite bright. So, I don't know what to say, but just welcome to the new chapter of my life. Whoever's gonna be helping out, thanks. Before we start throwing hammers, scraping popcorn ceiling, I have to talk about the vision and where I want this remodel to go to. It's not gonna be too crazy, but I figured, you know, just so you guys have an idea of what I want. I want to take off the drop-down ceilings. Those are just outdated. I want to open the kitchen. It seems very tight and small, and this picture doesn't really represent how small it is and tight it feels, but because we have hanging cabinets down below and the drop-down ceiling, it just feels very claustrophobic. My number one thing that I want to start with, besides the drop-down ceiling, which I hate, is recentering that faucet. It's one of my pet peeves. I cannot stand you're washing dishes and you're basically looking into half of the wall and then the window. This kitchen is actually going to be all base cabinets. We have our washing machine, we have our sink, and then to the left we're going to have our range. That's going to have a hood, but we're basically shifting everything. And now, I think the major renovation of this project is actually going to be in the living room. I'm planning on taking out this whole wall. It's very outdated. I want to bring everything back together. We're gonna have a little bit of exposed beam. It's gonna look cute. We're gonna take all that wall out. You're gonna walk in. You're gonna be able to see the kitchen to the right. We're gonna be able to see the fireplace, the living area. Everyone's gonna be all big happy family. Also, I did not mention in the kitchen area, I will be adding a island in the center of everything, but I figured in this drawing I don't really need to do that. I'm still debating how big I want it and what I want to do with that. And there's a big old hole in my wall stuff. So my friends did that while I was taking down the popcorn ceiling. So there you have it. Day 1 complete. I'm going home. I feel like today was a long and tiresome day, but we focused on the bathrooms and got those done. Previously, we just tore out the carpets, did the whole kitchen and everything, And man, does this master bathroom look ginormous. The previous built-in cabinets in the hallway gave me the ability to extend the shower for about a foot. Now, it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but in this tight space, I feel like every inch counts. The plan for this bathroom is to hopefully add a double vanity. I'm pooped. I want to go home. Hey, let's go home. It's gonna be a long journey, but I hope you stick for the ride. So, until next time, be Beeneh.